Hey there, Violas. This is a note name review for the alto clef. Okay, so this will be a good video to go through before you do any of the worksheets, before you do even any of your practice videos. This is a good thing to review before you look at some music. Okay, so just to briefly cover our line notes and our space notes. Now this is a little bit of a fuzzy printout, but hopefully you can still see it pretty clearly. So these are our line notes right here, and starting right here, this is F, A, C, E, G, okay? F, A, C, E, G. So we start from the bottom, and the very bottom line of the music staff is F, and we walk up. Okay, now our space notes. This is G, B, D, F. Okay, now the space is at the very bottom of the staff and at the very top. This is E down here, and this is A up there. Okay, so the actual spaces within the music staff are G, B, D, F. Okay, you got that? So your line note code is F, A, C, E, G, and your space note code is G, B, D, F. Okay? All right, let's see how well you can apply that to some flashcards. All right, so this very first one, can you name this note? Some of you are thinking really hard right now. Okay, so if you can't figure out what this note is, there is a way that you can actually figure out any note on the music staff. All right, so this note is below the staff, and you notice that we have to use something really important right here. This is called a ledger line. That's telling us that there's an entire space and line and another space where this note exists. Okay, so how many of you remember your line note code? Hopefully everyone. What's your very bottom line note? Yes, F. So we can start at F, and we can go backwards in the alphabet because we're going down the music staff. So that means we're going backwards in the alphabet. So let's go backwards from F, E, D, you got it, C. This is actually open C on your viola, okay? So now let's work on some ledger lines up at the top of the music staff. Yeah, we'll do this one. So we have two ledger lines now. That means there's a space, line, and this note happens to be a line note. All right, so let's think about our line note code. F, A, C, E, G. So this top line right here is G. Let's use G and walk up the alphabet since we're going up the music staff. Okay, so we're here at G, then this space right here is A, this line is B, C, you got it, this is D. This is third finger on the A string, okay? So that's how it works. Did you know that even if you know one note on the music staff, that's it, you just remember one note. Let's say you remember where open, yeah, let's just say you only remember where open G is. That's it, right here, open G. You can go down from there, you can go all the way up from there, okay? The music staff just follows the alphabet using lines and spaces, okay? So if we're here at G, and we've got to get all the way up there, then you just walk up your alphabet. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, okay? Now it's really important when you're doing that to make sure you don't skip any lines or any spaces because then you will get off, okay? So with your note codes in mind, let's do a couple of flashcards, all right? So I'll give you a minute to answer what note name you think it is, and then I'll tell you the answer, okay? Here's your first one. Oh, hopefully you remembered what note I just used as an example. You got it. This is G. This is your open G. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, don't be confused by this symbol here. Just focus on the actual note, and we'll talk about this guy in a second. Yes, this is E. You should have used your line note codes if you were a little confused to help you figure it out. Remember, F, A, C, E. Now, how many of you remember what this symbol is? You got it. This is a flat. Okay, so this note is called E flat. Very good. Here's another one. Okay, if you can't quite figure out this note right away, start maybe with your top line note and walk up the alphabet. I'll give you a minute to do that. Yep, this is C sharp. Very good. So hopefully you could use G to walk up to figure that out. So if we're here on the line at G, then this is A. This line note would be B. So then this note sitting right on top of the line is C. Awesome. A few more. This should be easy if you remember your line note code. Yep, F sharp. Very good. And what about this one? Last one. Yep, this is D, okay? So if you couldn't quite figure this out by itself, then start at this line right here, which is F, and go backwards. So F, then this space right here is E, so that means this note on the line is D, okay? And this is first finger on the C string, all right? So hopefully that helped. If you need to go back through any of these flashcards again, feel free to back up the video and go through it again. Also, if you want some information about different apps like that you can get on your phone or your iPad or iPod or whatever, or a tablet, you can send me an email at jessica.clark@decaturyouthsymphony.org, and I can send you some links to some different resources that you can do some more drills with, okay? All right, so hopefully this helps you with your worksheets and with your music reading. Okay, good job.